Someone asked me recently why I'm into this business. I mean, my digital marketing business. And my answer to her was, I don't want to be a liability. I want to be an asset. I don't want to be begging for money, not for the things I want, not for the things I want to do for my children, not for the things I want to do for my family. I don't want to. And she also said, if she ventures into this business, will she have time for her kids? Because, her kids were her priority. She wanted to have bonding time to take them out and things like that. And I said, of course, it frees up so much time for you, for bonding, for creating memories, for taking them to games, to places, registering them for games and all sorts, and you would have the time, you would have the funds, you have the privilege to be an intentional parent. I mean, we went on and on. I told her about all the positive things about this business, because the business, we pride ourselves in automation, and because of automation, it takes a whole lot of the heavy lifting away from us. That way, you're able to have time for precious moments with yourself, with your spouse, with your children. In the little time I have been in this business, I can tell you for a fact that this is a life-changing business. It's a business not to turn a blind eye to. You need to come on board. You need to, give yourself a chance at a better life. Give yourself a chance at a better life, not just, picking shift, doing 9 to 5 for till you're 65 or you're 70 years. And after that, what's left, You don't just want to be an addition to the people that, came abroad and, because, when they retired, they didn't have enough money, and then, they had to go back to start picking small shifts so that they can keep a particular lifestyle. I kid you not, this business will change your life. Trust me, take it from someone that was overworked, underpaid, stressed, tired, neglected, fed up, with everything. And I took a chance on myself. I knew I needed a change, and I made up my mind that I would get that change. And trust me, guys, this is the change. I am on my way. I'm not even where I want to be yet, but I can tell you that, what I see now already is happy moments for me. It's gratitude all the way to God Almighty, and gratitude all the way to the person whose ad I saw that made me, click and join this business. It's gratitude all the way. I feel blessed. I feel honored to be in this business. And trust me, when you do your due diligence by first watching the free webinar, you would come back to thank me. Watch your free webinar. And if you want to gain access into our community, our system, the model, what we use, every single thing about this business, the way we pay out, the way you get your money, everything, then you can go ahead and pay the $149. It's easy as that. And the $149 is refundable after 30 days. After 30 days, you feel you're not caught up for this kind of business, you're not caught up for using a 90% totally done for you system to make an incredible income, then we'll gladly give it back to you. Because trust me, it's not everybody that can do this business. It's not. Some people are just meant to continue to do their 9 to 5, big shifts, numerous shifts, do odd jobs. Some people are just meant for that. But the very few people that are meant for greatness, that are meant for entrepreneurship, that are meant as CEO, that want to enjoy that life of a CEO, of having both time and, and financial increment, incredible, wages, then you would see that this is the right place to be. So if you're interested, you're listening to me right now, and you're an intentional parent, you are somebody that you don't like begging for funds, you want to be able to do things for yourself and your children without, thinking about where the funds are going to come from, then this is the right business for you. Send me a DM or go to my website at www.olastellaomotayo-akeju.com. sign up with your first name and your email address, and I'll send you the necessary information that you need to first watch and do your due diligence from. If you think, yes, you like what you see, you like what you hear, then you go ahead and pay the $149, which is totally refundable after 30 days. You feel within the 30 days that you don't want this business, then we'll refund it back to you. But trust me, there is nothing not to like about this 90% done for you business. Trust me, there is nothing not to like. I hope to see you on the inside. God bless you and keep you. Bye.